Well, in this very short video, we are going to cover how to get slow and fast motions in the single video. But the very first thing, your smartphone must support slow motions video in order to get the slow and fast motions. During the playback video, we are going to edit how to make it slow and faster. As I always recommend you to edit your video in POWERDIRECTOR Premium versions, and the app links has been given in the description below, so you can go and download this and do the same what I have done. Well, in this video I have covered 2 ways to make it done. So watch full entire video to get how you exactly can do this. Ultimately, you can also do the same what I have done. Watch the full video to know the tutorial of this video, and also ultimately you can also do the same what I have done in my videos.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go. I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me. So close to the edge.